If you suspect that your American Express account has been compromised or if you have been locked out due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Contact customer service. Call the American Express customer service number immediately. You can find this number on the back of your card or on their official website. Explain the situation and provide any necessary identification information. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. This may include providing your social security number, account number, or other personal information. Ensure you have this information ready to expedite the process. Step 3. Review account activity. Once your identity is verified, ask the representative to help you review recent account activity. Look for any unauthorized transactions and report them immediately. This will help in securing your account. Step 4. Update security settings. After addressing any suspicious activity, request to update your account security settings. This may include changing your password, setting up two-factor authentication, or updating your contact information. Step 5. Monitor your account. After regaining access, regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. Set up alerts for transactions and consider reviewing your credit report to ensure there are no other issues. By following these steps, you can effectively regain access to your American Express account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant and proactive in monitoring your financial accounts.